Good morning everyone. So this is an instruction video for a student EALD declaration. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to go to the Google and search Wace student portal. So if you search Wace student portal, for example, I'm copying this text, and if I paste it here, you will go to the here. Okay, so you have to follow the first one. First this one. So, okay, I have now in the site. So you have to give two names. First one is WASN number and second one is the password. So school have provided you this PDF. So your WASN number is this one. So 3120. This is your WASN number. So you have to copy it and you have to paste it here. So this is your WASN number. Okay. So what about the password? So your password will be, it's a little bit interesting. So your password will be your surname, last two, like this CH is the name. For example, let me show you. So your password will be your last names, your surname, first two word. For example, in this case, this student name is Muhammad Injam Choudhury. So what's his surname? His first name is Muhammad Injam and his surname or last name is Choudhury. Okay. So what will be the password of this student? So the password will be his surname. So CHWDHURY, and we have to first write the surname and date of birth. So his date of birth is this one. Okay. So this is his date of birth. Okay. Now the password will be CH, then all the date of birth 19122006. So for finding the password, what you have to do? You have to write your last name. This is the last name, and you have to write your date of birth. So 19122006. So there is a one problem some student faced is that, for example, your birth date is 5, then 7, then 2001, like this. Okay. So instead you have to write the password like this. You have to write the password. For example, for this student, CH 05072001. Okay. If it's like this, that's fine. This one is fine. But if your birth date is like this way, you have to use the 0507 before. Okay, great. Now we got our password. Now let's copy the password and paste it to the portal. So now so this is the password. Now you have to click this one and log in. So yeah, you are logged in. So now you have to give the personal email. So you have to write your email. So this is the email of the student. Now we have to click on set. After this email sent, you have to confirm it. There will be a link on your email. So you have to go to your email account and just log into your Gmail app, and you will get a confirmation message. So this is the message. So as CSA, so you have to confirm to click here. So it's confirmed. Now you have to set a password. Now just choose a password. So this is the password like we are using. So you can just reset it later. So your WASN number is done, your email is done, and your password is also done. So you have to write the WASN number here. Okay. Now you have to click on yes to all of them. This one is yes. Then submit. After that you have to add your phone number. So add your phone number, but I'm skipping it. You can add your phone number, no issues. Okay, now skip. Now we are ready. So you will see your name like Muhammad Injam Choudhury now, and your student number also here. Now what you have to do, you have to click here on the application. So it will be the EALD declaration. So if you click here, so you will see all the information. You have to click on the start EALD declaration. So after that, what you have to do, you have to click on who is your EALD teacher. So it's Safia Ghazi Rahaman. Then what was the first language you speak at home? So you have to write Bengali, and this one is also Bengali. And you have to declare I'm whose home language is not English. Okay, then we have to click on this one. I have not more than 7 years of education in the main course, so yeah, this one, and click on next. Now where I have born, so I have born in Bangladesh. You have to also give the Bangladesh. Then you just give this 0. Country of birth of parents, so it's Bangladesh. Language, so it's Bengali. Okay, again, country of birth, okay, it's also Bangladesh. So language used Bengali. Then countries you have lived, it's Bangladesh. So my nationality is Bangladeshi. It's Bengali. So all of them are done. So country of all of them will be like this, and you will click on next. So what you have to do, you have to click here 2014 to 2000 3 4 5 6 19. You have to use like this. So you have you have attended the school, so this will be year 1. The school name will be Chittagong Sunshine School. So country is Bangladesh. Now its national curriculum, the language is Bengali, and this one is also Bengali. So like this you have to add all the 6. So you have added this one, then 15 also, then year 2 Chittagong Sunshine School. Then country is Bangladesh. National curriculum, main language is Bangla. Bengali. So you have to continue to the 2019 like this way. So I have a Now if you are in the OSMET, you have to only fill this one, 2024 or 2025 one, If you are in the Wace, like if you have done the year 11, year 12 both, so you have to complete this both. For example, if you are in OSMED, what you have to do, you have to click here on add and you have to click on yes, and you have to click on year 12. For this I'm showing it for OSMED. Now you have to write Sunshine Grammar School, then country is Bangladesh. It's curriculum
OSMET.
Main language used in the class. English. Now you have to add it here. So, but if you are not in the OSMET, so OSMET now
the Wace.
Okay. So as Injam is not in OSMET, so he is in Wace. So if you are in the OSMET, you have to write OSMET. If you are in Wace, you have to write Wace. So this is Wace. So this is Wace year 12. Okay. That's it. So if you are doing OSMET, you have to do only one. Fill up this 2024 one, 2025 one. You don't have to fill up the 2024. So, but if you are in Wace, that means you have completed year 11, year 12 both. So you have to do like this way. First, what you have to do, you have to use the Wace, right? You have to write Wace, and this one will be English, this one will be English, and this will be year 12. Same way, we have to do the year 11 one, year 11 also. So the high school name is Sunshine Grammar School, and country is Bangladesh, and curriculum is Wace, English, and add. So you are done with the this part. For all of them, you have to use
না এটা সবাই অল অফ দেম এর জন্য এটা এমনিতে আপনি যেটা করা উচিত যে এখানে ওই যে কারিকুলাম পড়ছে ওইটা আপনি এখানে দেন এখানে তার দিন স্ট্যান্ডার্ড স্কুল দিন।
আচ্ছা 23
হ্যাঁ 23, 22, 21 স্ট্যান্ডার্ড স্কুল।
আচ্ছা এখান থেকে আসে 21 থেকে আসে। So as this student have studied in the another school, so you have to write it here. It will be year 8.
ন্যাশনাল কারিকুলাম ইংলিশ।
National curriculum English. So this is year 8. Right, year 9. Standard school in Bangladesh. Then right. English. So we have done with all of them. So from 2014 to 2025, you have to follow this way. You have to use the year 1 what you have done, year 2 what you have done, year 4 what you have done, all of them like this way. For so I want to clarify one thing. If you are in the OSMET, you have to fill up 2025 as the curriculum will be OSMET here. If you are in the Wace, that means you have completed year 11 and year 12, you have to write Wace. Okay, now we are done with this part. Now we have to go to
No.
Yeah, there is an option. Do you plan to enroll any other language course in the final? So I have no. So you have to click on the no one, and you have to click on the next. And here, what you have to do, you have to upload an document. Okay. So what document you have to upload? The document is, you have to click on the school report, which is given by your respected teacher. So you have to actually upload the file. This file. Let me show you. So this file you have to upload here. Okay. So what you have to do, you have to click on browse, and you have to click on this one, your name, and it will upload, and it's saved. Now you have to, like, this file is given by the teacher Jahangir sir. Then click on next. It's saying that so you have to, what you have to do, you have to click on here, I declare it, and you have to submit the declaration. So you will get all the information from here, what is that, and you are done with the everything. Thank you so much.